In this video, I'll show you how you can create a black hole in geometrydash. So the first thing you gotta do is go to the build section. Then we're going to click on this icon and we're going to click on this P icon, the particle icon. We're going to click somewhere on the screen. Then we're going to click on this button that says edit special. We're going to decrease the max particles to 10. We're going to enable the radius. Then we're going to click on visual. Start size and end size are both 50. Start spin size on the right is going to 360. Then we're going to these squares right here. We're going to click on the left one. We're going to make this one red, press OK. Then we're going to click on the right square and we're going to make that one yellow. Then we're going to click on the texture icon and we're going to click on this Milky Way looking icon. Then we're going to press OK. Then we're going to select the circle. The way to do that is to go to edit and then we're going to scroll until we see scale. Click on scale. Then we're going to scale it to 1.8 like so. After we've done that, we're going to copy paste the icon and we're going to separate them. We're going to click on the free move button like so. Now we can separate them. Then we're going to flatten this right circle. The way to do that is to click on the warp button, put it down like this, like a disc, and make it more like so. Then we're going to click on edit group and we're going to put this flattened circle to T3. Press OK. Now we're going to make a circle. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this icon right here. Then we're going to scroll until we see this quarter circle. We're going to press it, place another one, another one, another one. Once we've placed these icons, we're going to click on edit. We're going to rotate them like so. Now do the same for this one, like so. Now that one, like so. Then we're going to select the whole circle. So what we're going to do is press shift, hold shift, and then click all the icons. Then we're going to click on edit object. We're going to click on this square right here, object color, and we're going to make it black. Press OK and OK again. Like you can see, the circle is now black. Now we're going to hold shift again and press the top section. Click on edit group, put it to T4. Press OK. Now we're going to hold shift again, press the bottom section, edit group, and put it to T2 like so. After we've done that, we're going to select this flattened icon and we're going to put it over the circle like so. And we're going to select this circle right here and we're going to put it in the middle like so. And what we can do as a final touch is select the whole object and rotate it a bit. So we're going to hold shift and click like so. Then we're going to click on the rotate button, rotate it a bit like this. Now press deselect, and like you can see, we now made ourselves a black hole.